There are two types of hyperbola. One will be horizontal, another one will be vertical. This time we are just comparing it with ellipse and calling it as horizontal and vertical, but they are not literally horizontal and vertical. The meaning of horizontal hyperbola will be that the branches of it lies on x-axis.
Okay.
While if it is a vertical hyperbola, then its branches will lie on y-axis. Okay, so hyperbola is like this. It looks like this. So the equation of hyperbola will be written as 1, but it is always present in two different branches. So equation for the horizontal one will be x minus h whole square over a square minus y minus k whole square over b square is equal to 1. The only difference between equation of ellipse and hyperbola is this minus sign. Over there it was plus, here it is minus. Rest everything is same. While for the next one, we have multiple ways to write. If you remember, the equation of vertical ellipse was written like this: x minus h whole square over b square minus y minus k whole square over a square is equal to 1. Okay, but since this is a vertical hyperbola, so here there is one more extra thing which we have to take care of, and there is a minus sign over here. Okay, now if you want to avoid this minus, you can just flip the terms inside, like change their position. So you may also see somewhere written like this: y minus k whole square over a square minus x minus h whole square over b square is equal to 1.
Okay, understood.
Okay, they both are same. It's just a different way to write the same thing. Okay. And the rest, all the things are same as we have done in ellipse. So I'll just quickly write that. This point will be a comma 0. This will be minus a comma 0. Okay. B lies somewhere over here, but B has no significant meaning for the horizontal one. Similarly, if you look at the vertical one, then in vertical one, since we are writing y minus k over a square, okay, so this will be 0 comma a, and this will be 0 comma negative a. Once again, b has no significant meaning for this.